Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a little tool that I wrote to help process a bunch of images. I originally had created a script that would automatically generate cropped images, but I realized that I was just generating a lot of noise. So let's take a look at the script, and what it allows you to do is select your sizes. You can add more if you want. And then you choose your folder. In this case, I've already supplied an image. So here's the image, and slide the cropper uh, to wherever you want, and go ahead and save to folder. And you'll see that now it has created a new image. Uh, and the new image is right here. And what it does is it also includes the file size. So if we open this in the Explorer, you'll see it's 142, which is pretty close to 141, and it prepends vert to the file name to make it easier to find your edited photos. It doesn't do anything to the original photo. It remains untouched. Code is in GitHub. Thanks for watching, and if this was useful, please download the code, use it, send me comments, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, and happy computing.